Hey there, fellow hustlers. Are you tired of working the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of a life of leisure and luxury? Well, you're in luck. Because today we're going to talk about how to start a passive income business with no money. That's right, you don't need to rob a bank or sell your soul to make money while you sleep. And who better to guide you on this journey than Keep Hustling D channel. With no-nonsense attitude and tireless work ethic, we will show you how to turn your skills and resources into a cash-generating machine. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to become a passive income ninja. And if anyone asks, just tell them you're working from home, in your pajamas, of course. Let's get started. First of all, let me explain what passive income is. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. You may need to put in some effort up front, but once the system is set up, you can sit back and watch the money roll in. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to start a passive income business with no money. Step 1. Identify your skills and resources. In this step, it's important to take an inventory of your skills and resources. This can include things like talents and skills you have, such as writing, graphic design, photography, or web development. Unused resources you have, such as a spare room or unused storage space. Hobbies or interests you have that can be turned into a business. Make a list of your skills and resources and think about how you can leverage them to create a passive income stream. Here are some questions you can ask yourself to identify your skills and resources. What are my talents and skills? What do I enjoy doing? What problems can I solve for others? What resources do I have that I can leverage? Once you have a list of your skills and resources, you can think about how you can use them to create a passive income stream. Step 2. Choose a passive income stream. There are many different passive income streams you can choose from, including affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission on sales. You can promote products or services through your website, social media channels, or email marketing campaigns. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to sign up for an affiliate program and start promoting products that align with your niche or audience. Blogging. Blogging is the process of creating content on a blog and monetizing it through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. To get started with blogging, you need to choose a niche, set up a blog, and start creating high-quality content that attracts visitors to your site. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is the process of creating and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables. To get started with selling digital products, you need to create high-quality products that solve a problem for your audience and market them effectively. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others and earn passive income. To get started with creating online courses, you need to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and create a course that solves a problem for your audience. Print on demand. Print on demand is the process of designing and selling custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through print-on-demand services. To get started with print on demand, you need to create designs that align with your niche or audience and market them effectively. Choose a passive income stream that aligns with your skills and resources and that you enjoy doing. This will help you to stay motivated and committed to your business. Choose a passive income stream that aligns with your skills and resources and that you enjoy doing. Step 3. Build your platform. The third step in starting a passive income business with no money is to build your platform. Your platform is where you'll showcase your skills and offer your services. Here are some ways to build your platform. Start a blog or website. Use a free platform like WordPress or Wix to create a blog or website that showcases your skills and services. Make sure to choose a domain name that is easy to remember and reflects your brand. Use social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great ways to reach your target audience and promote your business. Create a social media account for your business and share high-quality content regularly. Build an email list. Building an email list is essential for any passive income business. Offer a free incentive like an ebook or a discount on your products or services in exchange for people's email addresses. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube is a great way to share your skills and knowledge with others and build a following. Create videos that provide value to your audience and promote your business. It's important to create a professional-looking platform that showcases your skills and services effectively. Step 4. Promote your business. The fourth step in starting a passive income business with no money is to promote your business. You need to get your business in front of your target audience and convince them to buy your products or services. Here are some ways to promote your business. Use SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results. Use relevant keywords and phrases in your content and meta tags to improve your search engine rankings. Guest post on other websites. Guest posting on other websites is a great way to reach a wider audience and promote your business. Look for websites in your niche that accept guest posts and submit high-quality content. Use social media advertising. Social media advertising is an effective way to reach your target audience and promote your business. Set up targeted ads on platforms like Facebook or Instagram to reach the right people. Offer discounts or promotions. Offering discounts or promotions is a great way to attract new customers and encourage them to try your products or services. Step 5. Monitor your results and optimize. The final step in starting a passive income business with no money is to monitor your results. You need to track your progress and make adjustments as needed to improve your business. Here are some ways to monitor your results. Use analytics tools. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics or social media analytics to track your website traffic, engagement, and conversions. Monitor your sales. Keep track of your sales and revenue to see how your business is performing. Get feedback. Ask your customers for feedback on your products or services and use that feedback to make improvements. Starting a passive income business with no money is not only possible but can also be a lucrative and rewarding way to achieve financial independence. By identifying your skills and resources, choosing the right passive income stream, building your platform, promoting your business, and monitoring your results, you can create a sustainable source of income and enjoy the benefits of a passive income lifestyle. Passive income is the income that comes in regularly without the need for active involvement or effort. Passive income streams require an initial investment of time and effort but can pay off for years to come. While many people believe that starting a passive income business requires a large amount of money, the truth is that it is possible to start a successful passive income business with no money. The benefits of starting a passive income business with no money are numerous. First, it can provide an additional stream of income without having to take on a traditional part-time job. This can allow individuals to have more flexibility in their schedules and work from anywhere in the world. Second, it can provide financial security and independence, which is especially important during times of economic uncertainty. Third, it can be a way to pursue a passion or hobby while making money at the same time. Congratulations! You're now on your way to becoming a passive income guru. And the best part? You didn't even have to rob a bank or sell your soul to do it. With a little creativity and some hard work, you can turn your skills and resources into a thriving passive income business. Who needs a day job when you can make money in your sleep? So go forth, my fellow passive income enthusiasts, and start building your empire. Just remember, even though it's called passive income, you'll still need to put in some effort to make it work. But with a little bit of patience and perseverance, you'll be rolling in the dough in no time. Good luck, and may the passive income gods be ever in your favor.